Now I'm going to attach clips to the uh, buzzer enclosures. And remember that the buzzer enclosures are exact copies of each other. It doesn't matter which side you put a particular enclosure on. What matters is which wire from the control unit you connect it to. So how to put a clip on, I'm just using these 90-degree clips. And I've already sized them for the rail, the handrail that I'm going to put them on. Uh, remember that we have only one screw here. It holds the enclosure together. It also will hold the clip on. We'll put screw back through this center hole. Okay, that one's done. And those are ready to mount on the walker.